Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G200, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just, for example, hold the application for a while and drag it to the another application. And by this way, as can you see, we got here the new folder on our screen. And by the same way, just hold for a while the application and drag it here to the folder. You can add the more applications to your folder. Now we can also edit the name or rename the folder, for example the apps. And also we can move this folder here on the screen or between the screens. Just hold for a while and drag it here to the screen or to the position where you just want to take the folder. And if you want to remove the one from the application, just hold for a while and move it, for example here near the folder. Or if you want to just ungroup this folder by this way, by the same actions, hold for a while the app and move it to the position where you want it to take. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.